What's the main thing you wanted to share with people, Matt?
Initially, I wanted to talk about, honestly, agentic search, semantic search, something that I didn't even get to. But as I went deeper into the topic, I realized like much more important, at least to this audience, talking about how things work, which is cool. You'll be curious enough and find it, and you can just bug me or any kind of forum online. The more important thing was to kind of just remind people of the reality of where we are right now, which is everything is getting more and more closed, and unless we actively participate in the communities that we build being more open, the software that we build having different values, etc., we will continue to go down this road. It's not like you don't just get it for free. It's like the price of freedom or something.
That's my first question is you do get it for free, and that's how they made the public web a private index, is they gave us a lot of fucking utility for free. They gave us Gmail, Gcal, Google Drive, all these things, right? And we slurp that shit up. And then we end up with, private company owning the index of the whole public internet. So for all of us like normals, how do you square that circle, man? That's how they ended up where they're at. Like, we all still want Gmail, Gcal, Google Drive, all that kind of shit. So how do we balance that equation? We can't all run those things on our own servers at home.
I mean, this is the ultimate question is like, what are the alternatives? And if you're willing to put the care and put the effort into actually create the alternative, right? It's not like I've created a social network that's open source.
Kush made his own Photoshop.
I make stuff and that I can use in a very hacky, free way, and if I can make it useful enough, then I can share with people, and that's kind of my approach. But certainly, I'm not solving the problem. So I do think that there is this philosophy that I've adopted a while ago now, which is that generally I had this character thing where like if I can't fix it, I'm not going to complain about it. It's a long time ago. I changed that completely. It doesn't matter if I can't fix it. If I see it wrong, I gotta do it, right? And so I think the solution to that.
I'm an anarchist, and they tell me that I'm wrong because I don't have the solution to what comes next, and I'm like, I don't need to have the solution. My job is to say this is fucked, burn it down, and then you guys' job is to find the solution. So go ahead and keep critiquing this stuff.
And I try in a little bit of like trying to educate, be like, well, here's how you could try and build a system. But I certainly am not the kind of person who wants to get some VC money, fuck around, and like make another thing that again ends up being a purchased private bot thing. And I certainly don't have the resources to get a big farm together to produce and serve a server like this. And I just don't have this faith in the current sort of incumbents of the current people, like, in places of authority to do the right thing if I do approach them from a non-profit, from a non-profit motivated. Please.
Yeah, so I have a question for you. So if we look at